Hi guys, today I am checking one of the classic Mercedes Benz. It's MB140 S-Class S500, and customer complains that there is a ticking noise. So we can hear this ticking noise, and this is a M119 V8 engine. So this is bank 1 with 4 cylinder, and this is bank 2 with 4 cylinder. So it's a very famous M119 engine, that is V8. So this kind of ticking actually is a very sharp rattling noise, which is because of camshaft worn out, because this is a very old car and now considered it a classic Mercedes Benz. So I'm pretty much sure that this knocking noise is from the camshaft lobes, because the engine is old and camshaft lobes are worn out now. So I will further confirm, but I'm pretty much sure that this is a camshaft lobe noises, and maybe on the both banks, but looks like it's on the if we see from the front side. So this is most likely from the right bank. The noise is very obvious and audible from the right bank.